Finally. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be like my 2026 intentions. I don't know. If you like these videos, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and subscribe to my other channels. The vlog channel, where I'm trying to do like studying and stuff for my school. And I also have a budgeting channel. And I just kind of want to share like my intentions, not resolutions. I did that last year. Wasn't a good year. My intentions though, one, which we're doing now, which is great, is using my DSLR camera because I have it. My mom spent a lot of freaking money on it with accessories and everything, and I've been resorting to using my phone. Like, why? You know, I have the camera. I just need to freaking do the work and charge the stuff. And I tried to use this very beautiful, I asked this for Christmas 2 years ago. It's the 50mm Canon lens, and it is beautiful. And I do want to take photos and stuff with it. I'm going to be doing that more with this camera and everything, with batteries full and everything. So that's my first intention. My second is to be, well, use up my makeup. On my channel, I just did a whole, like, Project Pan video. And I don't have that much makeup anymore because I got rid of my e.l.f. products, so that's good. And then the third is to be more intentional with my time. I'm working part-time, so I should have no excuse to not be studying like I should be. I am using, like, today I'm not working, so I'm using today to kind of, like, bulk film things, with, like, New Year's things and stuff like that. So, like, Project Pan in this video, and then, like, my budgeting intentions and budgeting video for my other channel. And with that, I spent a lot of time last night, like, journaling, and, like, I need to take the time, which, hold on, I will get that. Alright, so, my intentions with my time, right? I do spend time journaling a lot in the evening, because I started watching, Coffee Monsters Come, her videos and stuff with her. Her company is great. I have stickers from her. I did a whole haul on everything, Hobonichi haul and everything like that before. I can link those down below. But I used the avec cousin, which was from July to December. I used it all, and I loved it. I loved, like, the daily things for, like, my intentions for the day. And then it has, like, a really cool weekly spread. I don't know if you guys can see. It has, like, a weekly spread situation with time blocking, which is great for, like, to figure out, like, my work, because I do work part-time, and then, like, filming and things like that, and when I want to do live streams and stuff, which I do want to do that more for studying, on this channel, so subscribe for that. But this is the it's for the Han, I think, but I'm still using it. The Hobonichi 2016 Cousin. These stickers are awesome. And the back are awesome. I got some of these from Happy Planner, and then some from friends. And then the Fueled by Sleep token and smut is from Amazon. This little paper clip thingy I got from my mom, like a whole set. So when I do that giveaway, you guys are going to actually get some, because these are just good for, like, because it holds your pen, right? But I was thinking, like, because I'm holding this up for, like, my weekly this week, but then I can have one for, like, my dailies, you know, like, to mark those off, because I could get the tabs from Helen, Coffee Monster Co., but I don't really feel like doing that. So, but yeah, with being more intentional with my time, I just want to, like, spend that time to journal in the evening and, like, read. I have been, like, reading so much on my work, or my break from work. I do work at a school, for a school district and everything, so I did get 2 weeks off, so I have been more intentional with my time with, like, reading, and I haven't read in so long, so I'm, like, rereading stuff and binge reading, so that's been really fun, actually. And makes me want to, like, get back into writing. If you guys don't know, I have self-published some things. It is linked down below. The first book is free because it's my debut and it's and then the sequel as well, and I have some things that are up for pre-order. I have not worked on anything so long, because one, school, like, when I'm in school, I don't really feel that creative spark, but then two, I don't know, I loved that joy that I felt, and I just want to, like, feel it again for writing, you know? So I want to get intentional with that as well. I do have the Hobonichi weeks as well, and I was kind of using this more for like content planning. If you guys want to like see plan with me or something, totally down for that. Because sorry, I'm like looking at it because I do have it as like a content planner, so I have stuff to like out. I'm like, oh shit. I just want to be more intentional. Like, take the time in the morning instead of I get up at 5 with my brother and I watch him, and it's like I should be staying up. I did go to sleep today though because I've been staying up late. And it's like I should be taking that morning time to study because I'm working on law school. That's a lot. That's hard. And I'm already like limiting myself with work for another thing I do for after school, and I've limited myself to one time a week there. It does cover my law school payments though, so just doing the one time a week. But because I'm doing that, I should be taking more opportunities to study. So I will be trying to do more live streams in the morning if you guys are interested in that. I tried to like set up, because I do it off of StreamYard, and I tried to set it up with my vlog channel because it makes more sense, right? Because I'm like studying, you know, and did not work out. Another thing, health-wise, we are going zero sugar in this house. Poor me is very sad about it. I did have a Mr. Pibb zero sugar though, and it was not bad. The zero sugar creamer though I had in my coffee this morning was so disappointing that I made myself some tea. But speaking of that, I do want to, with like health stuff, right? I have a spin bike outside. I don't use it. I should be doing that at least once a week. And then I have a Pilates board reformer thing. I should be doing that as well, either in the morning time or like in the evening. Because, like, hello. And then speaking of the writing, and hobbies and stuff, I do want to go back into writing because I freaking miss it, and there's people that like want to see my stuff. I do mostly fanfic on Wattpad, but you know what I mean, and I like miss that, and I miss like interacting with people, my reading and stuff, you know. So I do want to do that more. I'm always constantly listening to music anyways. But like reading, I don't want to put a reading goal, but I have like almost binge read the whole Ice Planet Barbarians series from Ruby Dixon again. I think during the summer I reread her Dragon series, but it doesn't seem like I was that. I don't know, it's so weird. Hi. And also being in the moment with intentional my dogs, I do want to spend more time. Sorry, I was like, who is walking by? There is nobody in this house right now. It's my dog Zoe. I do want to just like walk them. Because they're getting older, and it's like I enjoy the walks too, you know, and they like it. And I need to stop saying that word because she's getting all excited. Oh, Zoe. And just being more in the moment as well. Because there's so many things where I feel like I'm just like behind, and I know this is very rambly. I'm sorry, and I'm not going to be really editing it that much. What else? Creativity, hobbies, I kind of hit on. So if you want to follow me with like writing, I have that linked down below. And then the planning stuff I can do if you guys are interested. Should I do that in a separate video? I'll mention it. I'm going to be doing kind of like I was going to do 2, but I might do 3 depending on, I don't know. We'll have to see. But I was going to do a Hobonichi giveaway for 1K because we finally reached 1K on this channel. And I was going to just do a Vec, which is the 6 months like this. So instead of it being so thick, it's thinner. So that would be split into 2 planners like this. But the same thing as the cousin. This was because I wanted to try it and I didn't want to commit, and it was already like July when I bought it, you know? And then also the cousin as well for another subscriber. And then some pens. I do like this Rytech pen, so I would be giving these away as well. They are awesome. And it comes with like a whole bunch of refills in the packaging, so keep the packaging. I know. Or keep the refills somewhere close to you. And then I was gonna do, I'm thinking maybe doing a week's as well for somebody. So maybe 3. Something like this. I have to see if it's still in stock. And then each one will be getting a couple of the clips because I have a whole bunch and I'm like, what? I'm gonna use as much as I have and then I'll divvy it up between the 3 of you. So to enter and to win, you have to be subscribed, and then put in the comments like maybe like your intentions for 2026. We can have like a conversation, which that's what I'm kind of wanting with you guys, more interaction with you guys. And also put like a book emoji as well in the comments. So book emoji, your intentions for 2026, and then like and subscribe. And make sure your stuff is public so I can see, because that's how I verify. It's a whole thing. So if you go on your channel and you can like toggle your channel, like you can edit your channel, and on there it'll say like privacy, like keep your subscriptions private or public. Toggle that to public so I can see if you're subscribed. It makes it a lot easier to verify on my end for giveaways. So that was like my rambly intentions, but I feel very, very good about using this camera, even though it's stacked on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things, because I need to get a tripod. I need to get a handheld tripod that goes that far, and then that can hold the weight too. But yeah, I feel really good about that, and hopefully we can like quarterly or something come together and like talk about stuff. I don't know, I just want to build like a community with you guys, you know? And because I do various things on this channel, so like might as well, I would like to have a vast array of people to share my interests with, you know? So yeah, like and subscribe if you haven't already. Enter in for that giveaway. I will be ordering them this week and then getting those pens, and then there's some pens too from Dollar Tree. Don't knock Dollar Tree, the pens are great there. But yeah, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. I'm gonna do this for the thumbnail. Thumbnail. Ah! Thumbnail. Because yes, we need the holographic in there. Or T. Which honestly should be gonna have like a